Hello, my friends. This is my road of learning English. Take a look, subscribe to my channel, share with friends. Let's development together. If I have any mistakes, please write in the comments below. Let's start.
Improve. Department. Pain. Envelope. Pain.
I hurt my back at work yesterday.
What's the matter with your hand, Sasha?
A new bed can help you with the pain in your back. What's the matter with your finger?
My favorite player hurt his leg in the game last night. Which finger did you hurt? Hat. Hurt.
Oh no, my dad hurt his back at work yesterday. When Maxime kicked the ball, he hurt his back. Back. My son hurt his foot yesterday. My son hurt. My son hurt his foot yesterday. Ben hurt his head badly yesterday. Hurt. Hat. Hurt.
Did you cut your finger badly? Is the pain in your back strong? The pain is the pain in your back strong?
I hurt at back. At back. At work yesterday.
Yes, you hurt my leg badly when you kicked it. Yes, you hurt my leg badly when you kicked it.
Did you cut your finger badly?
I hurt my back at work yesterday.
Garva.
Accident.
Word.
Pain. Jeans. Accident.
Is Dr. Smith busy? Drive carefully, or you'll have an accident. Goes. Goes.
Your son should take this medicine in the morning. See a doctor if you need advice. See a doctor if you need advice.
Oh my gosh, your toe is blue. Toe. Go. Toe.
Ben had an accident, but he only hurt his toe.
She should see a doctor if she's sick. I don't think that she should go outside. I don't think that she should go outside.
My toes hurt when I wear my new shoes.
You should eat now. Should. Showed. Should. You should eat now.
He saw a doctor, but he is still sick. He saw a doctor, but he is still sick. You should make an appointment with Dr. Smith. Should. Showed. You should make an appointment. Should.
She should if she sick. You should appointment. 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 Smith. Dr. Smith. She should see a doctor if she sick.
Health. Bandage. Print.
Jeans.
Health.
Can you exercise with a bandage?
Jeans. Bandage. Neck.
Improve.
Neck.
My sister fell off a boat and hurt her toe.
Blood.
Candy. Neck.
Envelope.
Candy.
Blood.
Candy.
Candy, confetti, blood, кровь, envelope.
My son fell off his bike.
Should I stay at home now?
Rice. Rice. When my tall boyfriend and I kissed, I hurt my neck. Neck.
The kids fell off their bikes. Kids. The kids fell off their bikes. My dad falls off the boat every summer. Should I put another bandage on your head? Should I put another bandage on your head?
Should I drink water with should?
Can I exercise if my toe is broken?
Can you exercise with bandage?